What's up with the real estate market in Knoxville, Tennessee, and what's going to happen in 2026? I'm Jess Shepard with Keller Williams Realty, and here we go. In Knox County, currently we have 1,706 active listings at an average price point of $575,000. Those homes on average have been on the market for 98 days. Pending, we have 996 homes currently under contract at an average price point of $493,000 with an average of 50 days on market. And closed in November of 25, we have 452 homes at an average price point of $468,000, and we're on the market for an average of 54 days. That leaves us with 3.5 months inventory, and our sold to list ratio last month was 95.1%. Our median sales price in Knoxville holds solid at $399,900. Our most active price point in Knoxville last month was the $300,000 to $350,000 price point, and we had no home sales over $2.5 million. So that gives us 3.5 months of inventory. We're technically in a seller's market, but I'd like to call it a soft seller's market, where we're seeing a lot of action, where home sellers are negotiating on price and giving some concessions as far as paying closing costs and making home repairs. So 2026, where does that leave us? I got 3 things to point to for you. I don't have a magic crystal ball or anything to look into, so I don't get into the business of predicting the future very much, but here are a couple things for you. So one, unless you've been living under a rock and you haven't been paying attention at all, the government has decided to raise our debt ceiling once again. That means we're either going to take on more debt, print more money, or both. That means the dollar average goes down, prices go up, goods are worth less or more, whatever you want to call it. And number 2, Knoxville has been named the #1 place to move to in 2026. So if that happens, obviously there'll be more people moving here. Demand will go up, supply will stay the same, prices go up when that happens. And then number 3, the Federal Reserve has announced that they will be lowering the Fed interest rate again in December and hope to get the Fed rate to 3% by the end of next year. So interest rates, I have some lenders already offering some 5.5% rates. I had a client go under contract last week, got a 5.5 on a 30-year conventional with only 5% down. That same lender offered a 7/1 ARM at 5.25%. I also have some great lenders that'll help you work on your credit, get things together, put things in order if you need to get approved. Then I have some lenders that offer a traditional bridge program where you buy a home under a loan and then you sell yours, traditional mortgage. And then I also have a lender who offers an interesting program called Cash to Keys. That's where you make a cash offer on the home you'd like to buy. They buy it cash for you, you rent back from them, then when you sell your home, you go to a more traditional loan product. So a lot of stuff for you guys to think about. I'd love to help you with any of your needs in 2026, and I hope that all of you all have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'm Jess Shepard, Keller Williams, here from Knoxville, Tennessee.